Alright, so this is the LiftMaster belt drive model 8550, and I am going to show you how to set your travel limits and force on this unit. It's pretty simple. You're just going to find the light cover where the antenna drops out of. You're going to pull down that light cover. I like to just unscrew the light bulb until we're done because it can be a bit blinding while you're doing this. So what you're going to do is... the good part is you do not need a remote control to do this. So you're just going to press and hold that rectangle button until you hear a beep, and that up arrow is going to begin to flash. You're going to hold the up arrow, and the door will start moving up as you hold it, and you're just going to let go once it gets to the desired up position. So you want to get it to clear the opening. Mine isn't, of course, because my rail isn't long enough, but you just want to get it up enough to pull whatever vehicle you're going to be parking inside, and you just don't want it to hit that stop bolt right there. So the next thing you're going to do is you are going to press the rectangle button again. You're going to hear another beep, and the down arrow is going to begin to flash. You're going to hold down that down arrow until the door gets to the desired down position. And you're gonna want to make sure to let go about an inch from the ground and then just bump it down from there, because you want a nice tight seal, but you don't want it to be too tight. So I'm just gonna keep bumping it down a little more. And you generally want your rail to bow a tiny bit, but not too much, or it will trip the force once you close it, and it'll just go back up. So once you've done that, you're going to hit the rectangle again, and the up arrow will begin to flash. This is to set your force. You're just going to press it once, and the door is going to move to the up position that you just set. See, it stops right where I set it. And same deal for the down. You're just going to hit the down arrow. That should be blinking, and it'll go to the down limit that you just set. And there you have it. Your force and limits are set. I'm just going to screw my light bulb back in. You can just put your light cover back up. Now this process should be the same for some of the other LiftMaster DC models, such as the 8360 chain drive and a few of the newer style ones. But if you have one that was made after 2021 and it has the model number MC, then it's going to be a bit of a different process for the force setting. I'll make a video on that soon. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.